Court order. A court order is a formal, legally binding directive issued by a judge or magistrate. Depending on its purpose and permanence, it may also be called a judicial decree, an injunction, or a ruling. These directives are the primary mechanism by which the judicial system enforces decisions. They can mandate specific actions, like paying child support or surrendering evidence. Alternatively, they can prohibit behavior, such as ordering a factory to stop dumping chemicals. A directive can be a temporary measure before trial or a final permanent ruling. Willfully defying one of these directives is a severe offence known as contempt, which can result in steep fines or immediate imprisonment. For example, two neighbours are engaged in a bitter dispute over a property line. One neighbour starts cutting down old oak trees on the disputed land. The other neighbour immediately files a lawsuit and requests emergency intervention. The judge reviews the situation and signs a temporary restraining order. This specific court order strictly forbids anyone from cutting down more trees until the property line is officially surveyed. If the first neighbour picks up a chainsaw the next day, they will be arrested for defying the judge's mandate.